A credit score below 600 triggers a specific set of financial penalties. Every loan, mortgage, and financing option you encounter carries a surtax in the form of higher interest rates and required deposits. This number represents a snapshot of your past financial behavior. It can be adjusted through specific, repeatable actions. We are going to use a 5-step mathematical roadmap to move your score from the 500s to above 700 within 9 to 18 months. To begin, you will need to participate actively. Have your calculator ready and log into your banking app. Start by calculating your total available credit limit across every active card. Keep your banking app open to the account settings page. Step 1 is to automate your defenses. Configure your banking app to pay the minimum balance on every account automatically, every month. This chart shows how credit scores are calculated. Payment history accounts for 35% of the total, making it the most significant variable in the algorithm. Missing a single payment can reduce your score by dozens of points in a single month. This represents the primary risk to your recovery timeline. Automation removes the possibility of a late payment. This ensures you satisfy the algorithm's most significant requirement without manual intervention. Step 2 focuses on your utilization ratio. This metric signals to lenders whether you are maintaining a manageable level of debt relative to your limits. For a 10,000 rupee limit, your balance should remain below 3,000 rupees, the standard 30. Take a moment to pause the video. Multiply your total credit limit by 0.3 and write down that number. This is your personal spending limit for credit repair. Utilization is a ratio. Keeping your debt low relative to your available limits demonstrates financial stability to the scoring models. Step 3 is the preservation of your account age. If you have old cards that you no longer use, keep the accounts open and place the physical cards in storage. Many people attempt to simplify their finances by closing old zero-balance accounts. Closing an account instantly reduces the average age of your credit history. The algorithm interprets this loss of data as a reason to lower your score. These older accounts provide the long-term data the algorithm needs to verify your reliability. Step 4 requires you to stop all new applications for loans or standard credit cards. Each application triggers a hard inquiry. These inquiries are recorded on your report and deduct points from your score for several months. Applying for multiple lines of credit in a short period suggests a sudden need for cash, which the algorithm flags as high-risk behavior. Step 5 is an offensive strategy for those with very few open accounts. Open a single secured card or a small credit builder loan. Use it for one small purchase each month and pay it off immediately. By avoiding new inquiries, you stop your score from dropping, while the secured account builds a fresh stream of positive data. Following these steps requires time for the data to update across the bureaus. This chart shows the timeline for the first phase. Moving from the 500s into the 600s typically takes between 3 and 6 months of consistent reporting. Reaching a score of 700 usually requires another 6 to 12 months of maintaining these specific habits. Your credit score is a direct reflection of your financial habits over time. You have your utilization targets. Open your banking app, set your auto pay for step 1, and begin the process of rebuilding your score today.